36 million people visit Washington, D.C.'s National Mall each year, drawn to its monuments, spring cherry blossoms, and the Tidal Basin, a 100-year-old reservoir that takes its name from the tides flowing in and out of the Potomac River. But lately, the tides have been rising too high.
Here we're seeing the sidewalk, the cherry blossom walkway around the tidal basin flooded, completely impassable.
This happens twice a day, a result of sea level rise and increased urbanization. The bravest visitors may not mind the water, but most people have to step around.
It puts in danger the purpose of this place. It's a formal garden for Americans and their guests to wander through, and it's also the place where some of our most historic people are memorialized.
Thomas Jefferson, writer of the Declaration of Independence, is lucky to have a high perch above the waters, but the sea wall beneath him is crumbling.
The White House, where the president lives, overlooks the tidal basin. You can see it clearly from here across the water. But despite having evidence of climate change literally outside his window, President Trump has decided to remove the United States from the Paris Climate Accords, and he's called climate change a hoax.
I don't think he cares. It's not going to make him any money to save the environment, and he won't be here when it's all doom and gloom, and so I don't think he cares.
The United Nations says the world has just 12 years to stop a climate change catastrophe. In Washington, it's the local government that has stepped up.
We're kind of on our own now, and so we're putting really a lot more money of our own in D.C. into innovation, research and development, and we just don't have the partnership with federal government. And that's sad, that's frustrating.
Will this delicate beauty survive? And what monument will there be to those who had a chance to save it? Heidi Zhou-Castro, Aljazeera, Washington.